అట్లీస్ట్ ఈవెంట్లో ఉన్నాం. మనతో పాటు అనురాధ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆప్తా ఈవెంట్కి మేడం గారు పాల్గొన్నారు. వారితో మాట్లాడదాం. అనురాధ గారు నమస్తే అండి.
నమస్తే అండి.
సో ఆప్తా ఈవెంట్కి వచ్చారు, అట్లీస్ట్ ఈవెంట్కి ఎలా ఉంది మేడం?
ఇది చాలా బాగుందండి. యాక్చువల్గా మేము ఇక్కడ రావడానికి నేను యాక్చువల్గా మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఫర్ ఫాస్ట్ ప్రీకాస్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫ్రా ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ అండి. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ద ప్రొఫెసర్ ఆఫ్ గాయత్రి విద్యా పరిషత్ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ హాస్పిటల్ ఆల్సో. ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద హాస్పిటల్. యాప్టాక్ రావడం వల్ల ఐ ఫౌండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ బికాస్ ద main concept of collaborate create is been what is we are looking for. So the connect and then networking is very beautiful over here, and we are like chaala mandini chusin tarvata this is the right place where we can have this type of networking, and inta mandi at one roof, this is where we have seen this, and it is very useful, and I feel that I'm very happy that I've come here. I'm fortunate even.
Do you think as Apta will continue, like Apta, do you recommend Apta to continue every year?
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, APTA has also conducted an event like this in last year, Visakhapatnam, where my husband also is a cardiologist, has attended that event as a chief guest. And then I could see the transformation of the organization that last year it has been done to this year. This year it was too good, and I wish that APTA has to continue like this so that network and creativity as well as startup culture is been growing up.
Madam, you have mentioned so many things, like you are the professor and your husband is cardiologist, and also you are running one of the company, these all things. So you have some sort of domain knowledge in various domains. So what you recommend youngsters who are yet to start into any business?
Yeah, actually because I'm also a professor, I wanted to say that now universities as well as colleges are also giving lot of encouragement to the students, because startup culture is more now encouraged. Students విషయంలోకి వస్తే అలాంటిది ఉంది. ఏమి కావాలి స్టూడెంట్స్కి కానీ ఏమి కావాలి any individual to go for a startup is that domain knowledge as well as networking and mentorship also.
Sorry to interrupt you, madam. You said all the things, but especially what youngsters are thinking is like it required lot of money. So regarding that,
yeah, money, and also because there are lot of organizations that are even sponsoring these things. So universities as well as venture capitalists and business people like this, ఈ కనెక్ట్ ద్వారా ఎవరు స్పాన్సర్ చేస్తారు అన్నది వాళ్ళకి తెలుస్తుంది. రెండోది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కూడా చాలా సీడ్ ఫండింగ్ మనీ ఇస్తుంది, అది వాళ్ళకి తెలియట్లేదు. సో if they can come to platforms like this, they will get to know where they will get the money and all these things, and these platforms are really necessary.
అంటే ఈ రోజు ఆప్తా ఈవెంట్ జరుగుతుంది మేడం, కనెక్ట్ కొలాబరేట్ అండ్ క్రియేట్ అన్నారు. సో ఇక్కడ ఎవరైనా ఐడియాతో వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి ఫండింగ్ కూడా ఉందా వెంచర్ క్యాపిటలిస్ట్ నుంచి?
Yes, that is what is been recommended actually. ఎవరైతే now I've been told that there are 70 startup ideas ని తీసుకొని 15 startup ideas were been selected, and then 3 startup ideas will be encouraged. That is been announced as the first 1, 2, 3 అని చెప్పేసి the organizers have been telling, which is very good even, because 70 startup ideas ని తీసుకోవడం, ఆ తర్వాత అందులోంచి segregate చేయడం is one of the best things that can be done. Yeah.
Madam, like you are saying, like money is not the constraint then?
No, money of course is a constraint, but
with these kind of events,
I didn't get your call.
actually if anyone is supposed to start a startup, those who are afraid like they don't have the money, so with these events these people are encouraging the persons, so definitely for those as well the money is not also constraint.
Of course, the basic idea for any startup is the idea as well as the feasibility. If they can come up with the idea and the market viability, I think that there are many investors who are ready to invest on that. Along, not only investors, the government is also supporting to invest on them, and then that there are multiple people into the business are also trying to give a handhold to them. So mana దగ్గర డబ్బు లేదు, but can I go for a startup is not now the scenario. The scenario is you have an idea, you have the courage to go up. There are lot of other opportunities wherein which money can be pumped in. That is what I wanted to say.
One of the person is there, madam. He has the idea, he has the courage. Now Apta, with this conference, Apta people have created visibility to that particular idea.
Yes, of course, that is what is happening over here. That is what is happening.
Are you satisfied, madam, with this event?
Yeah, I'm absolutely satisfied. As I said, I'm happy to come over here.
Thanks, madam.
Thank you.